Hi friends, here's another safe organizing tip from your friendly neighborhood feminist lawyer. If you're out there protesting for reproductive rights, which you should be, you may get into some encounters with law enforcement. If you are, you do not have to answer questions unless they believe that you are in possession of a weapon illegally, or if you are fleeing the scene of or have just committed or are just about to commit a crime. Or, of course, if they believe that they're in danger at your hands, which is a really, really easy thing to fabricate in court. The question I want you to remember is, am I being detained? Am I being detained? If the answer is no, walk away. If the answer is yes, they need to arrest you. Now, up until recently, they would have had to read you your Miranda rights, which now cops are allowed to forget to read you your Miranda rights and detain you without informing you of them. I made another video that explained what those Miranda rights are, and I highly suggest that you watch it. But if you have a cop up in your business asking you a bunch of questions, you need to ask, am I being detained? If the answer is not, yes, you're under arrest, you can and should leave, end the conversation, and walk away. Don't be a jerk. Don't yell at them. Don't get mad. Don't give them any excuse to find you a threat. Just say, have a nice day, and walk away. There are a lot of cops that are going to try to avoid answering the question because they know that this is the case. The only thing that I would say to an officer at this point, besides good morning, how are you? Are you having a good day? You know, a normal conversation that really doesn't reveal anything, is, am I being detained? If they start asking for my ID or where I came from or what I'm doing, I would immediately turn it to, am I being detained? And if the answer is not, yes, you're being detained, which means you're under arrest, then I say, okay, have a nice day. Now, I want to remind you that an officer is allowed to stop and frisk someone that they're concerned might have a weapon that would be used against them to cause them harm. This is called a Terry stop. It's totally legal, and it's for the protection of police officers that believe that they might be approached by someone who has the intent to shoot or stab them or something like that. So you can be stopped and frisked, for sure, legally. If that happens, don't speak. Don't talk. Let them frisk you and then say, am I being detained? Until they say no. And when they say no, walk away. Have a nice day, sir. Don't give them anything to use against you. Nothing. Stay safe out there, friends, and keep fighting the good fight.